our bedroom. So we hang the clothes and store the motorcycle, but it's gone right now. Ted and Emily went to teach at Likia today. And we're here just chilling. Here's our room. Our shelves. Closet. Chair. End table. Also serves as a laundry basket. And we're washing them. And bed with mosquito net. Here's our map of Nicaragua. We are right there. Oh, too close. It's that red dot. Right there. And Managua is here. Here's the room where they have ESL every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Oh, there's Belloso, which means furry. He's very furry and so hot. Dad and I have made quick friends with him. We're going into the kitchen. This is the door down into the basement. Little desk for preparing food, some shelves, a gas stove with their only pots and pans on it. Here's the sink. And here's the refrigerator. And this wall here is Ted and Emily's room. Alright, this portion is where we dry the dishes or scrub out the laundry. And here's the actual sink portion, and here's the big water reservoir. Today there is no running water. So if we need water, we'll just use the bucket to get some out of the reservoir. Just heading in this door. And the bathroom. There's the other side of the reservoir in the bathroom, so you can dip in and rinse off after your shower. It's the shower. No water heater, but that's okay because we're hot anyway. Just a shower. There's a little drain hole right there. It just goes outside. Toilet. They bought that lid just for us. Very nice toilet paper holder. And that's the tour of our new home here in Nicaragua. It's been an adventure.